And now it's time for what we're all waiting for, Flex Facts. So, Dr. Fleck, what are we talking about today?
Well, we're going to talk about how to handle fleas on dogs. You know, most pet owners don't realize that dogs often get infested with fleas through contact with other animals or contact with fleas in the environment.
Okay, so I guess I should ask, how do you spot fleas on a dog?
Well, most of the time they're pretty visible. Fleas can be seen by just scurrying along on the surface of the skin. Fleas are a dark copper color and about the size of the head of a pin. They dislike light, so your best chance of spotting fleas in a dog is to look within furry areas and on the belly and inner thighs, right down to the skin.
Mm-hmm.
Flea dirt can also signal that there are fleas on a dog. Flea dirt looks like dark specks of pepper scattered on the skin surface.
Okay, so what's the best way to get rid of fleas?
Well, there's a wide variety of flea products that clearly are on the market today. But the new prescription flea and tick products, and I mentioned that prescription flea and tick products, are finally taking the frustration out of flea control with popular and highly effective brands. But those are prescription items.
Mm-hmm.
Talk to your veterinarian about preventative flea and tick medicine for dogs, as many are prescription products that really need to have their input. And prescription treatments present one of the best ways to kill and prevent flea infestation.
Yeah, and what about topicals?
Topicals have value.
Mm-hmm.
And I think topicals, in my opinion, probably have, say, less value than some of the ingestible flea products. But it depends on what part of the country that you're in and how effectively you're using the product too. It can, some of the topical products can be just as effective as the internal products if used in the proper manner.
In the proper place.
At the proper place.
Okay. Now, what about non-prescription medication to treat fleas on dogs?
Well, there's many other products that will kill fleas in the pet for
that you don't need a prescription.
That you really don't need a
Okay.
prescription for. The drawback, however, is that these products may be less effective, like we're talking about, than the prescription products. These non-prescription flea products include, say, flea shampoos and flea powders and flea sprays and flea collars, maybe oral flea treatment and spot-on products.
Mm-hmm.
Many veterinarians report that their patients still have a lot of fleas. Not even the veterinarians, but the people that are applying the product recognize that they still have fleas after the use of these over-the-counter products. But there are also good reviews from pet parents for some of these products. Individual variation, go ahead and try your product. If it's ineffective, make sure that you are, if you're not already using prescription product from your veterinarian.
Sure.
Then make sure that you
Yeah, I mean, I think it's always a good idea, especially if you're shopping online, to look at some of the reviews before buying the product, because a lot of times then you'll get an idea. Well, we also know not all reviews are honest, but look, at the end of the day, it's important to have flea and tick control, because it's not only about your dog, but it's about you and your home as well. Nobody wants to have a flea bite, correct?
You want to sleep at night? Make sure you don't have fleas, right?
Sure, or fleas in the bed if your pet sleeps with you, and you don't want to have an infestation in your house.
Absolutely.
Anything else, Dr. Fleck?
That's all the Flex Facts for the week.
Thanks for viewing our content on Pet Buzz Plus.